guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Monica. For today's video, I'm gonna do like a fairy kind of makeup. I don't know, I got super inspired today to do one. I'm gonna actually get super out of my comfort zone because I don't really play with pastels or any of those color stories, so I'm gonna play with a lot of pinks and pastels and blues and see how I can mesh those together into my eyes and kind of make my face a little different. I'm gonna keep it light, I'm gonna keep it fresh. I don't know, I want makeup to feel fresh and I like a fairy. I did put the buns because I don't know, I just associated buns with fairies. I don't know why. It doesn't seem like a great idea now, but I'm just gonna stick to that. So if you guys want to see me do kind of like a fairy makeup, then keep watching. Also, this is gonna be kind of like a time lapse, just like last video. I'm just gonna speed through it because since I don't really have a specific idea in my head. I'm just gonna run through it just to have you guys come with me in this adventure and kind of like see how I get to the end products. So again, if you wanna do fairy makeup with me, then just keep watching. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I actually adore it. Like, I love the way it turned out. Like, I honestly thought that I was gonna go into a little bit more purple, but I really like the fact that I stayed true to the pastel story that I had in mind, and that I didn't go for the easy path of doing something more fairy-like, more like purpley. And I really like it. I love this cotton candy kind of situation on the eyes. I feel like it makes it fun. I love the glitter. I actually gave my sister my glitter glue, and I just worked with setting spray and just worked it around since I'm not truly going anywhere. And I really like the way it turned out. I feel like this glitter gives it such a nice pop to the eyes. I really like it. I love my Tarte lashes. I did use a little bit of black liner in the inner corners of my eyes because I am learning how to apply falsies, but I'm not an expert, so I just kind of fake it with that. I fake that they're well put with a little bit of nice black liner. I used to still it, but it was just such a little that I didn't even want to show it. I didn't think it was worth it. But yeah, you guys, I really like this. I love the lipstick. I haven't tried this lipstick in a million years. This is Whipped by Morphe. One of my favorite lipsticks. Back in the day when we used to go to work every day, I would use it every single day, and I feel like I hadn't seen that lipstick in like 6 months, and I'm super psyched because I used a lot of products that I really like. I feel like I'm going more and more into the Rare Beauty foundation, like I'm falling more in love for it, but I feel like it was because I'm using the right kind of brush. I'm still on the fence a little, but I think that it's sinking in with me. Like, I think it's starting to work with my skin. It's still, you know, creases a little around my mouth, but again, don't really mind. I'm not going anywhere. So I hope you like this. Well, comment down below. Think of the products that I used. I know I was super on the fence with the Huda Beauty palette, but you know, sometimes you forgive and forget. So comment down below what other looks you'd like me to try. Do let me know if you enjoyed this look. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.